Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unpacking these A.C.E pots. These pots cost 7,000 rand and I cannot wait to see. I had to measure these pots. I had to measure it as the whole package before I even unwrapped anything, and I wanted to see how much they weighed. And as you can see, they are just about 6 kilograms, which is quite heavy. Yeah, I think it's fine, not too heavy, but I think it's just about right, but we'll see. Actually, I don't know whether the weight is heavy or not. Please let me know in the comment section what you think. But what I know, I'm expecting to see 4 pots that looks like that. So let's open up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can get more content like this. And also don't forget to like, it just helps my YouTube grow. That's it. Now that we got the paper out of the way, just wanted to show you how this pot looks like, and I'm just looking at the right side. So there usually is a colored picture of how this pot looks like. So this is the picture, and there is 4 pots, as you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pots. So I'm expecting to see those kind of pots. So yeah, let's continue to open and see how the packaging looks like, how they actually fit in that box, because that box looks quite small. But let's see. Okay, there we go. And the moment of truth. Yeah, this is quite a nice packaging. Honestly, I like the way they put in this nice booklet, which is black and white. Somehow I kind of like those colors. And yeah, I'm not gonna go through this manual, but there's actually a QR code there. Yeah, I'll look at it later. And there's a nice shopping bag here, which is orange, so at least I don't have to buy plastic bags each time I go for shopping. But anyway, who am I kidding? I won't even carry this. Let's be honest, when I go to the shops, I don't carry any bags. So anyway, just going through to the next one. So this is how the lid looks like, and this is how the pots are actually stacked inside the box. And I like the wrapping. Hey, it looks so nice and bougie and classic. I don't know, honestly. And yeah, I had to unwrap each pot from this nice bags. I had to tap it. It's just something that I usually do when I'm testing if the pots are strong or durable. I usually tap the base or knock on it, and if it sounds very hollow, then I'll know that it's low quality. So now, as you can see, I'm moving to the next one. So each lid is made out of this nice glass, and yeah, I was actually seeing if it could fit. So the first pot could fit with that lid, and now I'm just going to unwrap the next pots from the nice bags. Oops, that lid doesn't fit there. So I guess I gotta have to keep digging to find a lid that will fit with that pot. And yeah, it's kind of a bit of a process to kind of like unwrap or unpack all these pots, but I like the way they were packaged. I like the way they were put in those bags just to make them more secure. It also shows all the effort that A.C.E Group put into making these pots and also packaging them, and they also wanted the pots to be delivered in full integrity to their customers. So I think I give them a 4 out of 5 on the packaging itself, on the presentation itself. I am quite very happy, and I like the shininess of these pots and everything. Basically, I'm so far so happy. So now it's time for me to clean up. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with those papers, but yeah, those are all the 4 pots as you can see them. I hope this angle shows them in a nice way, and they also have some measurements inside here. Like this one is about 1.5 liters, which is the smallest pot. And this one, I think they forgot to put in the measurements. I can't actually see. I'm trying to look with my eyes. Yeah, I can't. So this one, I'm sure they didn't put, but I assume maybe it's 2 liters. But I can only know if I can see how many liters this is. This is a 3 liter. So most probably that other one was a 2 liters pot. And this one, I assume should be 4 liters. Let's see. And yeah, that's 4 liters. So yeah, I guess they range from 1.5 to 3.5 and 4 liters. And this is how I stacked them so that you can see them. And let me know what you think about these pots. Let me know what you think about this whole review. And yeah, I'm quite very excited to use these pots. So I had bought some A.C.E pots before, and these were my first set. I bought these pots in 2021. I'm sure you've seen them in one of my cooking videos, and I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty happy. They're still intact. They've seen it all. They've been falling, and I've been burning stuff in there. They're easy to clean. They still look good, if I may put it in that way. I use them on a daily basis, and I also have a helper, and she uses them. So it's like they're very resistant. I mean, they're quite very strong. So that's why I was happy to buy this new set. So now I can say I have 2 sets of pots from A.C.E Group. And yeah, this is the old pots. I mean, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Yeah, these are almost like going for 2 years, being used every day on a gas stove. So just let me know what you think. So I mean, I had to use these pots so that this review can go well. And so I'm just gonna boil this broccoli in these new pots, and maybe also some sweet potatoes, and yeah, we'll see how they cook. So yeah, let's do it. So I later decided to boil some potatoes in the other pot, and on the other side, these are the sweet potatoes. So the broccoli was done, I had to remove it, and now the sweet potato is still cooking, as you can see. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. But I'm so far loving this, and they're using gas. I've always used gas, and yeah, let's see how it goes. So I ended up making tomato sauce in the other pot as well. So I mean, I'm really enjoying cooking with these pots. But I mean, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know in the comment section, would you buy these pots or not?